Why is tree removal so expensive in southwest Minnesota? There are a few key reasons. Tree removal isn't just cutting wood. It's skilled, potentially dangerous work that requires trained crews, safety gear, insurance, and specialized equipment like chainsaws, chippers, and sometimes lifts or cranes. In our region, cold winters and variable ground conditions can make jobs more complex and time-consuming. Trees near power lines, houses, or tight yards take extra planning and care, which adds to labor time and cost. Fuel, insurance, and maintaining heavy gear also factor into pricing. So the price you see reflects safety, training, and real effort, not just chopping down a tree. Need help with a trim or other tree care around town? Rugged Tree Service. Address 206 Brook Avenue, Porter, Minnesota 56280. Phone number 507-829-4317. Website ruggedtreeservice.com. If this helped, like the video, share it with a neighbor, and subscribe for more local home and yard tips. Thanks for watching.